Okay, so today we are going to test the conductivity of all of these different liquids that we have. So I'm getting ready for it. We're going to put these two copper plates into the liquid that we're using to measure it on the voltmeter. The battery is the thing that we're going to use to see how many volts there are inside of the battery, and whichever one says that it has full volts, which is 9 volts, is the best conductor. Okay, so now that I've done my intro, I'm going to do the control measurements. The control measurements are air and metal. First, let's do air. This cup right here has nothing in it. This one has tap water, though. It's really good. If we put these in and they're not touching or anything, it should go at 0.0 volts, and it might occasionally go to 1 volt. Now we will do the metal. Metal usually goes up to 9 volts or higher. Let's test this. It is up to 9.18 and 9.6 sometimes. You saw it flash to 9.6. Okay, so now we're going to do tap water. We already did air and metal, so now we're doing tap water. Tap water is about 9.37 or 38. That's pretty high compared to the other ones. No, 9.39. Distilled water, which we will do next, is water with no minerals, nothing. It is the cleanest type of water you can ever get. And by the way, when you're done with each one, you should wash it off with a napkin, or else it'll keep conducting through the liquid you had before. This one is 9.15 slash 9. No, it's 9/15. Okay, now we're gonna do hydrogen peroxide. Yeah. .21. Okay, now we're gonna do tonic water. This is really bubbly water, kind of like club soda. Ooh, it's bubbling up. 9.20. Oh, it turned reddish. Sort of. Okay, now we're doing club soda. Sparkle water. About 9.32. Okay, we're doing lemon juice now. I tried it and it is disgustingly bitter. So don't try it. It's disgusting. 9.23. Okay, now we're doing the alcohol, the rubbing alcohol that you put on cuts and stuff. Oh, this one's different from all the other ones. This one's 8.74. About 8.73. My favorite one is the sun-kissed strawberry delicious Fanta stuff. So let's try this. It's red. Yay. 9.19. Okay, now we're going to do salt water. Well, this one we made. We didn't go to the store to get it. My dad just found an old bottle of water that was sitting over here for like a couple of months, and then poured some of this salt into it, a bunch of it. So we're gonna try this. I bet this is a good conductor. .22. Okay, so we've done all the drinks and stuff that we have, but just for fun, I'm gonna show you guys what happens if the human is the conductor. Since humans have water, it will be able to conduct. So I'm holding both of these. I am a good conductor, sort of. It says I'm 9.16. Where did my pencil go? Okay, so now we're going to use something named Simple Green. Simple Green is a cleaning thing. Is it this one?
No, it's the one in the green box. It's the one in the green.
This one. It's green liquid.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't look too tasty. Smelled it. It smells really bad. Okay. So let's try this. This one's a pretty high conductor too. 9.21. Okay, so now we're gonna do this bleach. It smells really bad. Lemon fresh. It's not fresh. Okay. So let's try this. .16. Okay, so now I'm gonna do concentrated laundry detergent. Don't drink any of these that I'm suggesting, other than like this stuff that's drinkable. Okay. Not 9.16 volts. Okay, so now we're gonna do alcohol. It's not the one that you drink, it's denatured one for cleaning. So don't drink this, it smells really bad. This is 8.84. Is that water? Okay, so now we're gonna do this wood finish stuff. It's like a finishing touch wood stuff. It's really black. Oh wow! That is the lowest one we have had yet. 1.91. Okay, we're doing vegetable oil now, this thing, for cooking, and it's mostly oil, so it's probably going to be a low conductor, or bad conductor. It's actually 0.01.
Test the pieces together to make sure that we didn't lose a wire somewhere before you can confirm that.
Wow. It's actually 0.01.
Great. Write it down.
Okay, so now that we look at this, the best conductor was actually normal tap water, and the worst one was the oil. The oil was at 0.01 volts, which is probably the worst you could ever get, other than air and stuff. And tap water was 9.39 volts, which is pretty high. My conclusion is that if it has a lot of water, the liquid that you're using, then it's probably going to be a great conductor. The reason the oil was a horrible conductor is because it had basically no water in it. It was just oil, vegetable oil for cooking things.